morning. Miss Angela is here to wish everybody a happy Friday. Let's do calendar. We are in the month of May, the beautiful month of May, and the year is still 2020. Let's do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You got it, Saturday. It's Friday. That just means the weekend is right around the corner. And our two weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. And we know today is Friday. And it is Friday, May 8th, 2020. We know that yesterday was just Thursday, which we said today is Friday. And we know if we're going to count that 7, that we know it comes right after 7. Good job, friends. All right, we don't have any days to mark that I know of, so we're going to go right to the calendar. And you got it. We are going to do the Mother's Day calendar again. It is Mother's Day on Sunday. It's your mother, your grandmother, your caretaker, all the people, all the women and we love in our lives to celebrate. And it's just 2 days away on Sunday. All right. Well, hooray, we did calendar. We got through that nice and fast. And you know, it is just the time for the weather. Hold on. Get to the weather. As me and Mr. Ruffers here looked out the window, oh friends, it is a partly cloudy day. Another partly cloudy day. That means we have some sun, some blue skies, and some clouds. Wow, check that out. So far in May, we have 3 partly cloudy days and 1 sunny day. That's right, we missed a day. And Miss Angela's going to fill in that day. And that was also a partly cloudy day because we know that from Monday to Friday, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We have 4 partly cloudy days already. Well, friends, Miss Angela is going to wish you all an amazing Friday, a beautiful weekend. Have a lovely Mother's Day on Sunday, and we'll be back on Monday.